Yes.
Naging equitable, PCI. Pumasok si NBC, pinagbibili lahat ng bangko. Diba? Ginawang Bangko de Oro kasi may slogan sila sa Shoemart, we've got it all. Diba? Mga swapang yan, mga gusto niya lahat ng negosyo kanila. And then naalala niyo ba yung banking hours during that time? Noong unang panahon, 9 a.m. up to 3 in the afternoon. Tama mali? Anong ginawa ni Miss Tessie Coson, yung anak ni Henry C. nung pinatakbo yung bangko? Pinalitan nila yung banking concept to a malling concept. They start to open their bank from Monday up to what? Sunday, from 10 a.m. up to what? 7 in the evening. Tama mali? Anong ginawa ng competition? Anong ginawa? Sumunod. Tignan mo yung wall, di ba? Pag may ibang bangko, bukas. Tama mali? Ay kung ayaw na sumunod, ano mangyayari? Lilipat ang customers. Simple lang eh. Tama mali? As a matter of fact, Henry C. right now is very aggressive. Di ba, marami kasi mga competition yan. Namimilit ang bangko. Ito yung latest balita. Pero ano lang to hindi namin alam kung verified. Pero huwag niyo na ikwento muna to. He's planning to buy Pan-Asian and then he wants to merge BDO at the same time, United Coconut Planters Bank. He wants to merge into one para siya yung pinakamalaki. At plano niya ipangalan ng Pan de Coco. Hindi ko naman alam kung totoo yun. Pero chismis naman. When I say hello, can you say hi? Hello?
Hi!
In the pharma industry, sino sa inyo matagal na sa pharma industry? Okay lang, kahit tayo na magtaas ang kamay, halata naman. Alam niyo naman, napakaliit ng industry, pero tingnan niyo, di ba, nagbabago siya. Tama mali. Eh, nung nagkaroon ng MDRP, ay patay. Alam niyo yung MDRP?
Yes.
Ay patay, ang dami talagang namatay. Oo nga, 50% na Indonesia. Kahit sabihin mo, profit lang na nawala, but still, yung marketing, lahat nawala. Is that right? Yes or no?
Yes.
That's the reason why companies are downsizing. Kaya, very, very important, in order for you to change, you got to what? Learn. If you refuse to learn, wala na mangyari. Before, may snail mail tayo. Ngayon, tinatawag na email. At kanina, kausap ka lang si Father. Nasaan si Father? Father, forgive me for I have sinned. Diba, Father, dati naalala niyo pa ba? Yung film. Diba? Grabe, napakatipid namin kumuha kasi baka ma-expose. Eh kung pinasis mo kahit expose, babayaran mo, tama mali. Ngayon, walang pakundangan, selfie, pati pagkain, ako, kinukulang. Diba yung minsan, kakain na eh. Huwag muna tayong kumain. Mag-pre tayo? Hindi, ito muna dito. Abo eh, no? Dati, withdraw. Ngayon, e-books na. Nag-gets niyo? Never stop what? Question. This is not only for salespeople, but also for people who's working behind the lines. Gusto niyo tumaas sa sweldo niyo? Gusto niyo tumaas sa kita niya? Listen, your income will only grow to the extent you do. Ulitin ko. Your income will only grow to the extent you do. Pag ikaw, natutunan mo, nag-upgrade ka, mas marami kang alam, mas may potential na ma-promote ka. Kung ang alam mo last year, yan pa rin ang alam mo this year at nag-expect ka ng promotion, and I overheard one of the culture of your organization, if you want to promote someone, you want to promote them from the inside. Which I believe. Why? Because that's part of the core values is there. At the same time, you know people. I'd rather have an, homegrown rather than importing from outside. Tama? I would rather, i-promote someone, yung talagang right from the start, yung lumabas yung kumpanya, kasama dito sa kumpanya. Alam mo, sa totoo lang marami dyan magagaling. Hindi naman lahat. Marami magagaling, pero minsan may problema sa attitude. Kung tuturuan mo na, parating meron siyang problema May acne problem siya. Acne. Ano may acne? Hindi sa mukha yan. Alam mo niya? Dati nga sa kumpanya namin. Dati. Dati. Parati pinag-usap. Alam mo dati, number 1 ako. Alam mo dati, ganito. Alam mo dati. Oo, kailan yung dati? Noong 1999. Oo, okay. 2014 na po. 2014. Bakit po natin pag-usapan yung 1999? Pag-usapan natin ngayon. Agree? How many years na itong kumpanya to? 4 years? 4. Going to 5, yes. And then please, don't expect that you will also be promoted based on tenureship. Yung patagalan system, ay, tagal ko na dito, dapat akong ma-promote. Alam mo kung patagalan lang, ang dapat ma-promote yung guardia. Kasi mas matagal pa sa yung guardia. Nalagay ba? You promote someone based on performance and based on their skill set, not based on tenureship. Come on! Then kailangan nga, you got to what? Learn. May I suggest, ito lang, you want to be a learner? Yes or no?
Yes.
How much time do I have? How much time? Ha?
30
Okay.
minutes.
Timean niyo ako kasi sometimes I get carried over. Okay. So, do you want to become a learner, real learner? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ito lang, number 1 tip. You choose the people that you surround yourself with. Choose the people that you surround yourself with. Whether you like it or not, may kasabihan, di ba? Birds of the same feathers what? No, they become a feather duster. You tell me who your friends are and I will tell who you are. Di ba may mga kilala ba kayo tayong mga talagang masyadong negative? May kakilala yung mga taong, sige, yung mga negative, Negatron. Kaya talagang yung, may kakilala ka bang mga tao na talagang pinanganak ng Lord na parang pampabigat ng buhay mo. Yes, so walang tinita na naman sa katabi, ganun naman tayo. Paano mo naman isang tao ay Negatron? Very simple lang, very simple. Number one sign, parati silang galit. They're always angry. Kamusta mo? Ang pakialam mo? Yan nga na, gusto pa ako muna ka na. Kamusta yung Pio? Bakit di ka marunong maghintay? Tatanong mo, galit na naman siya. Ano ba yun? Ang hirap ng kausap ng mga taong ganun. Tama man eh. Ang hirap ng trabaho. Hindi ka makadiskarte. Ano ba hindi ba ulo naman na lang? Tama man eh. Another sign of a person who's a negative, aside from parating galit, they love to complain. Complain mo na yan. Grabe. Wala naman sa atong incentive sa kampanya. Pumunti pa sa kabitan ko. Nung minsan, nagbigay ng incentive, nakita sa Facebook na nakita. Nagdagdag pa sila, ang liit naman. Nung wala, nagko-complain. Nung meron, magko-complain pa rin.
Tama.
Parang sa ama ng tahanan yan, umuwi yan, makikita sa kapagkainan. Isa lang putahe, malamig pa kanin, lamig pa sinusir. Magagamit yan. Ako nagpapalamon sa inyo, kanin lamig pa pakain sa akin. Tapos siyempre, na-offend si Mrs. kinabukasan. Nag-effort si Mrs. 3 putahe, mainit ang pagkain. Pag uwi mo sa, ano dito, may pate? Hindi mo alam paano ka po pwesto. Tama ba rin? Nung hindi ka tumama sa kota, grabe ka, hindi ka tumatama sa kota, ano tumama ka, pasangawa naman. Ano ba yan? Stay away from negative people. Pakitaas ang kamay, please. Everybody raise up your right hand. Tap the shoulder of the one on your right. Stay away from negative people. Raise up your left, raise up your left. Raise up your left. Sabihin mo kung asawa mo. Kung asawa mo, sabihin mo. Iwalay mo. Mga iba, tuwang-tuwa, oh. Sorry, touch move. No return. Nandiyan si Father na sinabi niya, whatever God put together, let no man what? Separate, diba? Kaya sinasabi ni Father parati sa kanya for richer and for poorer, for better and for worse, in sickness and in health, till death do you part, no return, no exchange. Per DTI number. Nagets nyo? Alam mo, sa totoo lang, admit it or not, listen, the people who are closest to us are the people who can hurt us most. Yung pagod na pagod ka na, grabe, yung wala kang tulog. Pag uwi mo, di ba pagod na pagod ka, tapos sabi mo sa'yo pagbungan, paano? Bebeta ka. Magkano ka na tunay na trabaho? Ganun nangyayari. Yung mga dibating yun naman walang ginagawa, tama na eh.
Ang dami ah.
Oh Lord, di ba mahal mo sila? Please take them away. Gets nyo? Surround yourself with what? Positive people. Surround yourself with people who believes in you, who sees your potential, who doesn't see your fault, who wants to correct you in order to push you, not to want to correct you, and not to what? Demean you in order to pull you down. At ito lang, one last. May mga kilala ba kayong mga tao talaga kung magsalita, napakasakit? Yes or no? Yes! Pumunta kayo sa confession ng ni Father ito sa Beatsville. Huwag na huwag niyong papatulan yung mga taong gano'n. Why? Because hurting people hurt other people. Ulitin ko. Hurting people hurt other people. Yung mga tao na saktan na nanakit ng kapwa niya, kasi yung nanakit sa kanya, sobrang powerful or mas or hindi na niya pwedeng bawian dahil namatay na. So naghahanap sila ng ibang tao na pwede nung labasan ng sama ng loob. Tama ba niya? Kaya nga, huwag niyo papatunin mga gano'n. Wala na akong time. Relax. Ganito na yan. So very, very important you surround yourself with what? Positive people. Number 2, I do suggest if you want to become a learner, you got to what? Read books. Everybody say read books. Read books. Stop reading newspapers, please. Stop watching TV Patrol. Stop listening to AM program. Bakit? Baka naman panay negative eh. Yes or no? Pwera na lang, every Sunday, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., 92.3 change positive lang doon. Napasok pa eh, no? Na totoo lang ha, you know what? Bad news influences us unconsciously. Would you agree? Yes or no? Imagine mo, di ba? Ikaw, excited ka, gusto mo magbenta, may bago kang produkto, tapos nabasa mo sa dyaryo mo. Nagda-downsize mga kumpanya, yung ekonomiya, humihina, di ba? So, siyempre, pag hindi ka nakakabenta, ha? Tama mo yung dyaryo. Ramdam ko na. You know what? No offense, I'm not really a fan of really reading news at the same time. Why? Because majority of the news that you pick up are all negative, yes or no? Yes. I can still remember personal testimony in 2004. I started my business in July. From July of 2004 up to July of 2005, after 1 year, I sold 250 million from 0 sales to 250. So after 1 year, my friends approached me and asked me, Chinky, how were you able to sell 250 million in 1 year? Don't you know that there is a dollar Asian crisis? Hindi ko ramdam. Kasi hindi ako nagbabasa ng dyaryo. Nagets yun? I was focused. Nagets, ito lang ha. Kasi, pag ikaw, pinapasok, whether you like it or not, yes, sometimes economy can be bad. Would you agree? But while economies are bad, there are businesses that are thriving and growing. So, tanong lang, kung magpapa-apekto ka, kung titingin ka sa mga balita, kaya start reading good news. Number 2, attend good seminars just like this. Nagets nyo? Ano mo, I'm a product of seminars. Later, I'll tell you more about that. But one thing that really can really change is you have to become a what? Learner. Let's go to the next. An unstoppable leader also, one thing I learned, have a strong sense of what? Have a strong sense of what?
Ownership.
Gusto niyo talaga mag-promote kayo sa kumpanya? Yes or no? Yes. Tumaas ang sweldo, kita. Yes or no? Yes. But before we talk about that, ito, isa pa question, personal question. Give me your opinion. May nakikita ba kayo minsan sa EDSA, magaganda sa sakyan mo, mababa ang bintana, pagkababa ng bintana, nagtatapo na basura sa lahat sa EDSA. Na-witness niyo yun?
Yes.
Na-witness nyo lang minsan may umiihi kahit sa ano. Yes or no?
Yes.
Graffiti sa wall. Sino sa inyo mga taga Cebu? Bisaya. Naalam sa Mactan. Dumaga kayo Mactan? Doon? Grabe doon. Nakita niyo yun, yung graffiti? Alam mo yung graffiti? Yung pintura? Yung mga gawa? Sa wall? Ba't? Sa palagay yung ginagawa nila yun? Ano lang? Enjoy? Ano pa? Ha? Art? Wow, huh? Let me paint your face. Ano pa? Ano pa? Aside from that? Habit? Yes. Ano pa? Expression of their feelings. Ako nyari, nagbibibi ka. Kaysa, this is my expression. Nagtatawa ng basura. Bakit? Come on. Sa palagay nyo. Aside from habit, ano pa? Values? Ano pa? They're not responsible? Come on, ano? Alam niyo sa totoo lang, pagbalik-balik na rin natin, pwede niyo sabihin lahat ng sinasabi niyo tama, habit and everything. The reason why ginagawa kasi they don't own it.
Yes.
Question. Kunyari, umiihi ka sa labas. Yan, sa bahay ka na. Nahihina ako. Pwede mo umihi sa sala. Nahihina ako. Call of nature, kahit saan. Mag-graffiti ka sa loob ng bahay mo. Tatapon ka kahit saan. Kasi sa bahay mo yun. Tama mo rin. One thing I learned in life is this. What you love, you will protect. What you don't love, you don't protect.
Yes.
What you own, you will treasure. What you don't own, you won't what? Treasure. Is that right? I hope when you work for an organization, please don't treat this as a job. You have to treat this company as if this is your own. Why would I treat this company as my own? It doesn't come into my pocket. May kumikita lang, yung mga board of directors yung mga may-ari. Simple lang naman eh. I would really work as if I own the company. I will work so hard, I will make decisions based on just in case. Like for example, simple lang naman eh. If I work diligently, two things that will happen. It's either I get promoted, or if not, I learn. I learn based on my what? Experience. Yes or no?
Yes.
Not only that, this is the good news. Once I make a mistake, and it costs money. Diba sometimes when you make mistake, it costs money. Is that right?
Yes.
I won't lose my money, I will lose the company's money. Nagpa-practice na ako. Pinagpa-practice ako, hindi pera ko. Tama man eh. Kaysa na lang, ang attitude mo, tsaka na lang ako tsaka na lang ako magkakaroon ng sense of ownership ko pag ako na. Tsaka ako na sa seryosin pag ako na. Kanino pera na gagamitin mo? Diba? So lahat ng mga hindi mo alam, dahil hindi mo na-practice dati, ginawa mo lahat ng pagkakamali, lahat ng mga ipon mo, ubus. Tama mali. Kaya very, very important eh. Sa totoo lang, especially, pag ikaw ang may-ari ng kumpanya at may nakita kang ilaw at ng mga aircon na nakabukas, anong gagawin mo?
Okay.
Sa bahay na pag nakita mo yung aircon na walang gumagana, anong ginagawa? Pinapatay. Ba't mo pinapatay? Kasi ikaw magbabayad ng kuryente. Tama ka eh.
Tama.
Hindi porket na, especially, sa pharma, very, very generous yan. Lalo when it comes to collaterals, when it comes to yung mga giveaways, yes or no? No, kahit sabihin natin, budget yan, ubusin na natin yung budget. Pag hindi naman natin, inubus babalik mo siya. No, you treat such as your own. Kung talaga may sobra, isolid natin. We save it. Would you agree? Kasi may mga iba. May nag-mag-isip eh. Ano sa anak? Dahil kailangan ko ng komportan. Huwag kang mag-alala, anak. Iuuwi kita. Dahil kailangan ko ng komportan. Huwag kang mag-alala, anak. Iuuwi kita. Dahil kailangan ko ng computer. Huwag kang mag-alala, anak. Mouse muna, mouse. Baka malata eh. Nagets nyo? You gotta have a sense of what? Ownership. Huwag niyong isipin na ito lang sa sales people. Oh. Huwag niyong isipin na hindi kayo tatama sa target. Iisipin niyo, pag hindi kayo tumama, malulugi kumpanya mo, ano gagawin mo? Talaga, paano mas mag-gets mo? Do you know? Everyone say, do you know?
Do you know?
That the fear of loss is more powerful than the promise of gain. Ulitin ko, you don't have to repeat this. Do you know that the fear of loss is more powerful than the promise of what? Gain. What do I mean? Ito. Sige. May kota kayong tatar. Anong kota nyo? Marnes, give me a kota.
390.
390 million for the year. So, like for example, pag tinamaan mo yung 390 million, pag tinamaan mo 390 million, meron kang trip to Jerusalem. Hong Kong ba? Hong Kong, Thailand. Sa amin, Jerusalem. Sa bagay fact, pwede na natin gawin. Linya na natin mga silya. Ayan, may trip ka. Di ba maganda? Yes or no? Pero sa totoo lang, kung trip lang yan, trip lang. Trip lang naman. Minsan, pagka pangako lang, kulang yung motivation. Pero pag ganito ang gawin natin, parang may when I'm still active in direct selling business, we invite people, we ask people, you join us, you can earn money. Tapos sabihin, may puhunan, magkaan puhunan? 10,000. Sabihin, ako, mahal. Wala akong 10,000. Pero pag sasabihin mo naman, okay, ganito, di wala siyang puhunan, tama? Nagkataon, pag uwi niya, nagka-dengue yung anak niya. Dinala sa ospital. Ang sabi ng doktor, kailangan ng blood transfusion, kailangan ng 10,000. Pag hindi ng blood transfusion niya, baka bumaba ang platelets, baka magkaroon ng internal bleeding, at baka mawala yung anak mo. Sagot ng kaibigan, okay lang po, wala akong 10,000. Palagay mo yung nasagot? Anong gagawin ng tatay? Ha? Wala siyang tinay. You mean to say in just a few seconds or a few minutes from no money nagkapera siya? Hindi. Ano nagpalit doon? Ano nagpalit doon? Ano nagpalit? Yung desire niya. Yes or no?
Yes.
Kasi kanina, promise of what? Gain. Pwede mo kumita. Dito, may loss. Tama ba rin? Gusto niyo tamaan nyo talagang 390 million?
Yes.
Gusto niyo tamaan talagang 390 million?
Yes.
Paano kung may memo na lumabas pag hindi natin tinamaan ito? Magsasara itong kumpanya. Tinali, ganito. You know what? Naniniwala ko, baka hindi mag 390 ito. Baka mag 500 million kayo.
Yes.
Nagets nyo? You know what? When you work, you don't work na because na, ay, hindi pa nga ako. No, you work as if your job is at stake. Pag hindi ko tinamaan ito, patayo ko. Pag hindi the company is not pressuring, but you put the pressure on yourself. Nagets nyo?
Yes.
You got to have a sense of what?
Ownership.
Iisipin mo, pag ako natanggal ako sa trabaho, pag walang kinikita, paano yung pamilya ko? Paano magbabayad? Hindi ganun kabilis maghanap ng trabaho. Sometimes, may 3 months, 6 months kang paying ka. Is that right? Yes or no? And one last, if you develop a sense of ownership, an unstoppable leader also persists and never, ever gives up. Ano sa totoo lang yung 390 million? Mahirap yan. Depende yan sa tao. Pag sinabi ng tao, mahirap yan, mahirap talaga tamahan. Tama ba din?
Yes.
Pero pag sinabi ng tao, oo, challenging yan. Pero you know what? we will do whatever it is. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, sa lahat naman ng ano eh. Lahat ng mga targets eh, lahat ng ano, very challenging yan. Is that right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Pero one thing I learned in life is this. Magkano yung previous year nyo? Previous.
168. 168.
168 tapos 390. Yung 160 ang ano, tinamaan nyo. Oh, pero ano target ng last year? 200. Oo, nag-short kayo. Tama ba na eh? Ngayon, di ba? Nung 300, ano ba yun?
390.
390, di ba? Kaya nga, ito yung reaction ng mga bata. Nababaliw ba siya? Hindi ba tama? Hindi ba prepa? Wala nang tulugan to. Hello? Hi. Guys, you gotta learn how to look back. This company started 4 years ago with only 5 sales reps. Right now you have how many? Almost 70 plus.
70.
And whether you like it or not, this company will continue to keep on growing.
Yes.
It's either you grow with the company right now or you get left behind. Kaya nga, alam mo itong 390, maniwala ka next year, hindi na 390 niya, 500 na yan. Malaki ng malaki yan, maniwala ka? Why? Because you have a big vision. Would you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Your goal is not only to survive, your goal is to thrive. Kung survival mode na, huwag na lang, huwag na kayo lumaban. This is one thing I learned in life. You have a big vision? Yes or no?
Yes.
The bigger the vision, the bigger the opposition.
Yes.
Ulitin ko. The bigger the vision, the bigger the opposition. The bigger the dreams, the bigger the challenges.
Yes.
Kaya kailangan medyo handa ka. Not only physically, but also mentally, emotionally. Tatandaan, dadagdagan mo talaga ang sales call mo, rejection mo, kailangan dumami rin. Tama ba rin?
Tama.
Kasama yan eh. Pero once you fail, you never give up. You want to become successful, yes or no? Yes. Failure is part of what? Success. You gotta fail in order for you to succeed. Nobody succeeded in life without first failing. Why don't you ask these following people? Walt Disney failed miserably. The teacher told him that he has no he has no imagination. Mag-janitor ka na lang. Walt Disney became one of the most influential person in the world. Another person, sino? Passed his chicken recipe for over 200 times. 200 times he got rejected. On the 201st attempt, a small restaurant accepted his chicken recipe. Came the birth of KFC. That's the reason why Colonel Sanders looks old when he succeeded. He was 65 when he succeeded. Nakita mo ba bata siya? Hindi, matanda na nung nag-succeed siya. Another person, I don't know if you know this guy. His sweetheart died when he was young. His business collapsed.